Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll show you what the Qiawi nail fungus cleaning laser device is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official Qiawi website, the Qiawi nail fungus cleaning laser device is a non-invasive at-home device designed to support the nail care using a combination of laser and LED light therapy. The company says that it is intended for both toenails and fingernails and provides basically a drug-free alternative to cream, polishes, and oral treatments. According to the official websites, the device combines a targeted laser light and a therapeutic LED light. The company says that the laser is designed to reach beneath the nail plates, while basically the LED light is intended to support circulation and encourage healthier nail growth over time, of course. The websites also highlight that the device is painless, reusable, compact, and designed for regular home use. But before purchasing an example, take a few minutes to carefully review the product's information and make sure that the device is suitable for your needs, since the personal care products may work differently from different or for different people. It's always a good idea also to do your own research and understand the manufacturer recommendation before placing an order. And according to the official instruction, you'll have to place the affected fingernail or toenail into the treatment area and turn on the device. The company recommends using it for a few minutes per session as part of your regular routine. It also notes that the visible improvements depends on consistent use, your natural nail growth rates, and the condition on the affected nail. So if you decide basically to purchase the device, you'll have to visit the official website, choose your preferred package, and basically click on add to carts or buy now. Go and enter your shipping information, payment details, and follow any other instructions. But before continuing your purchase, make sure to basically review the pricing, shipping information, warranty, return policy, so you know exactly what you're ordering, and taking a few minutes to read the product details and do your own research is always recommended. Also, if you have any questions, as an example, you can go to the bottom of the page where you'll basically find many other information example that you may want to know. Other than that, as you can see, they do have customer service at the top. If to see as an example, first of all, the frequently asked questions from here. If you have one of those questions, that you may find the answer to. And as with any health related device, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it to make sure it's appropriate for your individual needs. Also make sure that you to do your own research and only continue if you're comfortable with the product and its claim. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.